What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to start selling or become a seller on Amazon to list your products or sell your products on Amazon to earn money. Now you need to go to the Seller Central website, that's sellercentral.amazon.com, or if you are on the Amazon webpage itself here, let's go to amazon.com for example, amazon.com, okay, and if you click here on sell, you'll be redirected to the same page. Now in this page you can sign up to the Amazon Seller Central account. You cannot sell with your normal Amazon shopper account, and to sign up here they cost $39.99 a month plus selling fees. However, the return or the perk is that you will get a wide audience of people. Basically, the people who buy on Amazon are a pretty big audience to view your product. So you are guaranteed to make lots of sales. Now to sign up here to the Seller Central, simply click here on sign up, or you can log in. Of course, you need to log in with your password here, or just create a new account if you don't have an account. However, for now, I will not continue since I don't want to pay the fees. However, you can, if you start now, you get 10% cashback on your first 50,000 in branded sales. Let's learn more about these benefits right here. Now, if you are new here, you can get started here if you are already selling, logging into your account, or you can sign up with the same form that I showed you. And here you get the new seller. This is the new seller guide that will guide you or will give you these necessary steps in order to start selling your products on Amazon and making profit. And of course, you once you are applying, you get the Amazon brand registry where you can register your brand here to protect your brand identity. Something like a copyright, so your brand is like copyrighted on Amazon. And you can increase your sales and have better listings, so you can list your products better on Amazon, and you can boost engagement with product reviews. So once someone buys your product and writes a product review, of course your product will be promoted better if they have a positive review. And you can enroll products in Amazon Vine if you want to, and of course changing your product depending on the competition products that are available. Now here, and you can of course manage, let Amazon manage shipping, returns, and customer service if your products are fulfilled by Amazon. And you can get discovery brands for your brand here by advertising on it. Now they offer you lots of benefits to sell and earn money with Amazon if you are applying for the Seller Central in order to sell your products on Amazon.